welcome to our channel.
Hi everyone. So,
This is Sanjeev. My name is Ashok, and we are doing this session in order to share our knowledge and more information about our programs which we are launched, which we have launched recently, and we have been working on the previous programs like Cyber Pro and all. And I thought it would be a great idea to have a conversation with Sanjeev, who is heading the placement cell, and I am the program director who is actually in charge of deciding on the course, curriculum, labs, and everything else. To have a candid discussion, so Sanjeev is going to talk about the student part, and I will be taking care of the industry section, and then we'll have some candid discussion about what Purple Synapse is looking for in our students. Okay, so I hope you'll enjoy this session. Thank you.
Thanks Ashok for setting up the tone for this discussion, and I think we are going to have a very fruitful discussion within another next 30 minutes, wherein we are going to cover up all these three perspectives which you said. Okay.
Right. So first thing first, Sanjeev.
Yeah.
Okay. So Purple Synapse, a lot of people are talking about, people are searching about us. They wanted to know more about what we are doing, how we are doing. See, as a student, right? So I am somewhere in India, some remote part of some state, and I come across Purple Synapse, and the very first question which will come in my mind, irrespective of what the course is, what all is happening, what kind of people, because you have been engaged with multiple batches, and by this time you must know that, or must have fair understanding about what kind of students who succeed in Purple Synapse, what it all require by the student to succeed in Purple Synapse. That could be the starting point.
See, I think the very first question in a very right direction you have taken.
Okay.
So thanks for that. So what we prefer, or what I have seen, as part of my discussions with the students, I have seen now the batch which we are running as of now, it is the 8th batch which we are running. Okay. Almost we have catered maybe if you look after maybe 60 to 70 people so far.
Right.
Okay. And I have seen the people who have been successful so far. They are very the people who are there with a very focused approach, right? And then sincere in whatever they have come here to achieve.
Okay.
Into their overall training with full discipline and the punctuality.
Okay.
In all the aspects, these are the 4 parameters where we see people playing around and getting successful.
Yeah, that's a very interesting point, because when you talk about focus, punctuality, discipline, and sincerity, which looks very, very normal.
Yeah.
And every student thinks, okay, I can do that.
Yes. It's
But
very difficult. It's very difficult to follow. Yeah.
It's very hard.
Yes.
Even to
it's
follow.
very difficult to follow.
So you have met all kind of students. So why don't you share?
I myself if I go ahead for any program, correct, I feel yes, this is doable, but consistently if you have to follow it for another 6 months, it becomes very difficult.
Right.
Consistency is the key.
Right.
I'm not talking about these parameters getting followed up on a single
One
day.
day. Yeah. One day or 1 week.
Yes,
And
one
after
day,
that,
1 week. That is not enough. So the consistency is required, and that's what we even try to inculcate between the candidates while they are part of this overall batch or training. So we have seen people getting successful. Maybe we'll talk about the specific examples later, part of the discussion, wherein we have very good success maybe examples also, which I can share.
Right. That's really good.
But this is the ultimate core of a particular successful candidate which we have seen so far.
So
And this has been remained common.
yeah. So the next question which I have for you is, as a student, is what generally you look for? Very, very basic things. Very minute thing. You've seen all these BTech engineers coming out, scored 70-80% marks. And then what are the basic things what you look for, and you are surprised that okay,
Excellent.
these are the things which differentiates.
Absolutely. I think that is one of the most important question. Okay. So I will just maybe try to divide this into 2 sections.
Okay.
Okay. So earlier Purple Synapse was doing the course in offline mode.
Right.
wherein like people used to come, they were kind of contacting us, or maybe like we were following up,
Right.
correct?
I remember
Then
that. Yeah.
calling
Calling
like
students
you being the part of this from the day one, like how difficult or maybe how complex that was, correct? The quality of the student remained same, maybe some people with very high academic records, some people with very lot of background onto the academic side very lagging, and then they were also trying for the same kind of position, same kind of institute, same course, correct? And then we got this overall approach changed to the online mode. Okay. Wherein the students themselves are doing online registration, correct? Contacting us, filling up the form that they are interested.
Right.
And this is the journey which we have seen in the last one and a half year.
Right.
Now one thing which I commonly see, which I at times I get surprised also, people with, and you will not believe it, the people with 80% aggregate records in their academics, 10th, plus 2, engineering, no backlogs, they don't even fill up the forms properly,
Right.
that yes, there are a number of fields which we track, your percentage, why are you interested in it,
Right.
tell me something about yourself, you are looking for, first of all, cybersecurity you are targeting,
Why you
and you
want
are
to do
passionate
something?
about it,
Right.
you say that,
Hmm.
but somehow it doesn't comes in your body language.
Right.
When you fill the form, you'll fill all the fields like ABC, XYZ, with only your number. Those kind of people I don't even find it serious.
Right.
It's all about your job. You are struggling. That is why you are applying for it. But then you are not following up the proper maybe structure which is required.
Right.
So one is that part. Some people because now we have gone overall at India level we are just targeting only 20 candidates, correct?
Right.
So now the people from some off cities also they are applying for it,
Right.
correct?
The small
But
towns
but
like
small towns
yeah.
and then these people maybe they are very talented people. Some of them I have seen very talented, scoring all throughout the academics, aggregate excellent marks, but their communication is very weak.
Right.
But then that is the one of the parameters, whether you want it or not, but the industry needs it,
Right.
correct?
Right.
But the student has not taken it seriously,
Right.
correct? So, but while discussion, I come to that point and to see how far this person can go, correct? So that is one, and then some people even after they have applied for it. Sometimes they are not disciplined, they will give some time okay, you call me, maybe we also feel they just like us, they are also busy,
Right.
and maybe they are occupied or engaged in some of their own tasks, but and sometimes they themselves will give their time, yes, I'll call you back at so and so time, that then they don't follow.
Right. So
And
these-
when you will even call up, they will not take that call seriously. Correct?
So student need to understand it is you who need
Correct.
the job and want to
Correct.
carry forward in your own life and want to make your career out of it. And what Sanjeev is trying to say that even I have seen whenever we discuss offline, the students don't even know how to fill a form properly. They don't even they can't even speak for 30 seconds, non-stop.
Correct.
For those kind of skills, even if you have a knowledge, right? How will you go and share your knowledge if an interviewer is asking you a question, right? You have to speak in English. So you may be good in academic records,
Right.
but you don't know how to write an email. Email, we have seen it. I personally have
Yeah.
seen email without any subject line,
Correct.
without any content,
And consistently, and the biggest
and
problem
they just
is-
send you the resume.
The biggest
Right.
problem is I can show you emails also where I have sent reminders to the candidates that please mention a subject line onto any email whatever you
Yeah.
send, okay? Then also it is getting
So
done
that is
repeated.
why even though we get so
So-
much of
so-
registration,
correct,
we
correct.
hardly pick up because more than 160, 200 students
Yeah,
have
yeah.
applied and they cannot make it because of all these reasons what Sanjeev has shared right now, that you have to be little serious. We are not going to teach you how to write an email. We are not going to teach you how to fill a form.
Correct.
You are a BTech graduate, you have an engineering degree, and you should at least know how to communicate, how to talk to people.
See, first, just to add to you, Ashok, when we were in school days, right, the first thing which we were supposed to give and trained upon is how to write an application to principal to take leave.
Yeah,
I
absolutely.
think those are the days, like, which you can take it as a reference for your learning. And
Absolutely.
if you have done that already, after doing B.Tech, I'm surprised why people are not following up. Whether they have taken, so there is only one reason why they are not doing it. One is that maybe like they know it, but they are thinking that they are maybe 70-80%, or maybe academics is very strong. Some company will come and hire them.
That's not going to
But
happen.
but it's not going to happen.
You know that.
I have seen, like, I can show you the list of 170 applicants from which I have just selected 16 people.
Hmm.
All of them, at least if you see, like, almost maybe 35 to 40 people scoring consistently across their academic career 80%, 75%, 80%. So it's the simple reason why you are searching for the job, and you will keep on searching.
Correct. Yeah,
So-
absolutely. I mean, so the attitude has to be, changed before you. We change something in you, or like as a student, this is what the minimum is expected. Applying for job and thinking that okay, I'll pay this fee and I will get a job. That is never going to happen. Please understand that. If anybody is doing it in the industry, they are lying to you. It's fake. Don't go for that. You have to work hard. You have to be disciplined. You have to know how to talk. You should know how that I am a professional. I am giving somebody's time, or somebody is calling me. Even if you have to say no, or even if you say okay, I'll call you after 10 minutes, do that 10 minutes, right? And I know that many people, like when Sanjeev stopped calling them, like they started chasing, and by the time we understand, you are not disciplined, and we are not going to teach you in 3 months, right?
Absolutely.
So there is no way we will be able
See,
to do that, and we drop those students.
Yeah, so nobody can make you make any change in your core behavior,
Behaviors, absolutely.
genetic behavior. Basically, it is.
It takes a lot
said
of
that-
time, yeah.
See, so basically, that casual attitude you have built in 25 years,
Right.
correct? And if you're joining this course, so though we can give the maybe like proper guidance to you,
But, yeah,
but
that's-
ultimately
the
it
core
has to
will
be
not-
followed. That core has to be inculcated in you. It has to be absorbed by you, and it has to be practiced.
Correct.
Otherwise, like there's no surprise. Even after you get hired, tomorrow you may be fired also. There's no surprise. I
No,
don't take it as
absolutely,
surprise.
absolutely. I mean, so all kind of students, the way we have seen Sanjeev, so absolutely you are bang on that. You have to be disciplined. These are very basic things, fundamental. Everybody understands, but trust, it is very, very difficult to follow. And if you don't follow that, and that could be one of the reasons, like you have still not got the chance to work in the industry. And though these could be the ingredients what we look for, and beyond that, whatever is gap is there in your profile or your knowledge, we are going to fill it. But these are the fundamental things which we cannot fill it. We cannot make you punctual. How can I make you come on time, right? If that is your habit, right? How can I make you disciplined? Some assignment is given to you, you have to do it on time, right? I cannot force you, like we cannot do spoon feeding now,
Absolutely,
right?
absolutely.
So I understood. So basically the requirement from the student side is not very big. It's very, very simple.
Simple.
And straightforward thing.
Absolutely.
And we observe from day one since you apply for our courses. And many students we don't even get a call. Sometimes we give them second chance, third chance, and that's it. Fourth chance, there is no more further calls
No
going to
calls,
come
correct.
from us, and then it is over.
Correct.
At least from the Purple Synapse perspective. I wish them luck and let them do better, in their lives. Okay. So moving on, Sanjeev, this is an interesting discussion. I understand. So
Yeah.
third thing which I wanted to know that is who decides, in which company students are going to join, right?
Okay.
So who decides? Because you are heading the placement part.
Yeah. So
So that was one of the things which students want to know. Who decides?
Absolutely. See, I would say it is the student only.
Okay.
Okay. Who decides where he wants to get placed? By doing what?
Okay.
Correct. By doing what? There are some actionable. As I said, last question which we discussed. They have to be bang on their training.
Right.
They have to score well.
Mm-hmm.
We conduct all the there are some 10 different modules which we conduct during the overall training of these 4 to 6 months. Okay.
Right.
And then they have to be basically very on top of it about what has been taught. what are the assignments given, what is their punctuality in the classes,
Right.
and then there are tests also, and the mock interviews also, which are conducted after each and every
Each and
module.
every
module.
thing what you are telling is captured.
Yes, absolutely.
recorded.
It is captured. It is captured. It
Okay.
gets shown to the candidate.
Okay.
There is an email which gets thrown to all the parties, all the people into the group.
So everybody
What
knows
is their
who's-
ranking against each and every module? What is the ranking of everyone? How much they have scored? So if there is a tie in their marks, then there are other factors come into picture to display, like where exactly they stand in the class,
Right.
and which we talked about, that
Right.
discipline part, punctuality part, assignments part, and then overall behavior part,
Right.
and everything gets counted.
Right. And everybody
Okay.
knows about
Everybody
everything,
knows
yes.
about it, and so openly discussed and closed. And sometimes I go too much behind the student also.
Okay. So you.
So just to
push
make them
them hard,
realize,
yes.
because see, it is not it is not for the benefit of me. Understand? Because Purple Synapse never thinks about the business part.
Mhm.
Student's career is the first part, which is getting taken care first. You
Because if
can
that
be-
is taken care, business is anyway.
Absolutely.
Right.
Otherwise, if we would have to fill up the seats, I can fill up in those 200 just easily, like 20
Right.
seats, correct? But why 16? Before that last batch, we had only 7 people,
Right.
correct? So it's not about filling up the seats. It's about from the day you have come to my system,
Right.
here every hour is counted on me, correct? So I have to give the required output. Otherwise, ultimately, I'm not doing justice to your career.
Right.
Right? So everything is getting counted. Everything is getting transparently communicated
Right.
to each and every candidate. So they themselves decide. And by the way, we share these marks, these rankings, everything, to the hiring organization.
So you share all these things to
Yes.
organization and they decide to whom to call,
And there
not
is a
to call.
reason. Yes,
So will
absolutely.
get selected.
Absolutely, and there is a reason why do we give it, because as I said, we have the flavor of all the type of candidates,
Right.
correct? People with bad communication but academically very strong.
Right.
People with academically very strong,
But
very
bad
excellent
behavior.
communication. People with a very nice academic but maybe a very casual attitude.
Okay.
Correct. Then it gets shown into all these things, correct?
Parameters as well.
All these parameters, and within that 1 hour, half an hour, is the company going to take
Judge
a
anybody, yeah. It's
yeah,
very
fair
difficult.
call,
Very
or
difficult,
just
yeah.
that candidate? No,
So I have been hiring students and I know
absolutely.
it's very difficult.
So
Half
nobody
an hour
can-
you cannot make
Yes.
anything about that.
Correct. So you can tell it better than what we are talking, correct? Because you are into the hiring from day one. You know how difficult it is to decide who is going to perform over a long period of time, correct?
Absolutely.
Who is the race winner, correct?
Right.
So that race winner combination, if a student with very academic nice background, he has performed very well into all the tests also. He has been very punctual, but the hiring manager doesn't know. Correct. I have a special attention to that candidate, but the hiring manager doesn't know. But at the same time, I cannot cheat my hiring partner also.
Right.
Correct. Because it is not fair.
Correct. And they are going to take their own
Absolutely.
call, based on what kind of credibility.
Ultimately,
what
it is
kind
up to them to
of
decide.
behavior they're looking
Yeah,
for.
it
But
is-
all these things, actually, what I understand, Sanjeev,
Yes.
matters.
It-
End of the day.
It matters.
Right.
It matters because it gives a decision-making power to the hiring partner.
Right.
At the same time, it gives a retrospective discussion which gets initiated between the team and the candidates,
Right.
so that they have the very fair amount of time to act upon it and react upon
Further,
it
correct.
for further correction into their
Absolutely.
overall behavior and the overall progress.
Great,
Yeah.
great, Sanjeev. So, coming to the next question, so one of the most important question I would say from the student community, salary. Right. End of the day, they are student. They want to come into the industry, right? And they want to get a job, and they think, okay, I'll go with Purple Synapse. And now the thing which is coming in their mind is salary. How much money are you going to make? What do you think?
Correct.
And you have dealt with so many batches and so
I
many
think
students.
that is a very common question, I would say,
Okay.
and almost every student asks this. Okay, so how much is the salary? I always say them it is you who are going to decide the salary for you.
Right.
Okay, so where exactly the salary? So far the salary range which we have seen has been from 3.5 to 6.5 maximum.
Average is
Average is yeah.
How much is average?
Average is around 4.
Okay.
Okay. And but then how it gets calculated, correct?
Okay.
So I'll tell you the background about it.
Okay.
Why it has been come so far, like 3.5 to 6.5. Why I'm talking about this salary bracket range. So I'll tell you like the experience of the candidates who have come so far, and with whom so far we have delivered this much. So the kind of candidates who were there, they were from all the kind of backgrounds, like BCom, MA, very few.
MBA.
MBA,
Yeah.
okay. But most of the people from BTech background, with civil, electricals, electronics, then EC, computers, all these kind of people they have joined. Some people with have done their background, the engineering degree in maybe around 6 years, 7 years, with very average marks. Others have some backlogs, but they have cleared it. So, and then some backlogs, maybe 10, 12, something like that. Okay. So these were
So you offer this course to everybody, it seems like. So it's not.
Yes, that's what I said. Okay, it's not easy to get into it.
Okay.
That spark has to be shown by you.
Yes. The
Right,
fire has to be there.
The fire has to be there.
Otherwise,
and the characteristics which we thought or which we discussed, correct? That is very much important. If you are coming up here, you have struggled for maybe 2, 3 years, 4 years. Maybe I've seen people applying 2016, 2017 pass out. You have done all the angles.
yeah.
You have
Nothing
tried
wrong.
all the options. Nothing has worked out. And if you are coming here, this is the full and final chance. That's what we believe. Okay. So you cannot take it as next chance. Otherwise, there is no other chance which is going to be given.
Right.
Second chance is always the final chance.
Right.
And if so many chances has not worked out, you will keep on searching the other places, and it is not going to work. As simple as that.
Okay.
So the salary part which I said, these were the kind of background which we have received from the people and they have been successful.
Okay.
Everyone except 1 or 2 which which we have, and we would be definitely talking about them also. But then
Each and every student,
candidate has
every
been placed
single
successful.
who has joined Purple
Correct.
Synapse have a
Is
job
placed.
at the end of the
Absolutely.
academic.
Yes. At the end of
Efforts.
their efforts, they have been placed successfully. So that is one part. Salary range. So I always say that this line. Okay.
Okay.
Why?
I'll say
why
3 lakhs?
6 lakhs? Why not? Because it is the student experience. Even if I would be at the student place, I would think about so many other things why not 10 lakhs? Correct.
Yeah. The question is why not 10 lakhs? Yeah.
Why not 10 lakhs? Why
Who's
not
stopping?
7 lakhs? Who is stopping? So basically, you know your caliber. You know you have not got the job, but then your expectations are too high. Correct. Ultimately, who is going to work? It is you. If you can crack interview at some very very great company, maybe who is paying around 10 lakhs, 12 lakhs to freshers, and there are pay masters.
Yeah, there are people who are paying 20
Correct.
lakhs, 25 lakhs as well. Yeah.
So if you crack it, I can support you to get to get you there. But ultimately,
But I can bring a 25 lakh salary and ask them to hire you just because you want to join them.
no, that's not the way it works. Correct. So and if you can get good salary, it is a bigger brand value for me.
Right.
So what I say is, it is you who are going to decide how much salary you want. Work according to that, practice according to that, and get it.
Correct. So it's more like a campus placement, Sanjeev, what I understand. When you go to any
Absolutely.
college,
Mm.
companies come, they will give you offer letter, you join it, and then obviously the first job is not the end of everything.
Mm.
The whole philosophy of Purple Synapse is that you start your journey in IT industry in a cybersecurity domain, a very top-notch domain to be into right now, and obviously in many years to come. And depending upon how much knowledge, how much passion, how much strength you have to contain that knowledge and go as far as you can, is what will be seen after few years down the line once you have the first job. Maybe on day one, few companies will hire similar kind of roles. When I got selected in my first company, there were 70 people all across Karnataka. Like to campus interview, they have hired. Everybody was more or less like same, or somebody was a little smarter than somebody else. But after 5 years, 6 years down the line, the guys who were the top performers, performed really exceptionally well, right?
Yeah.
So the point is not like if you, just like it happens in schools and college, that you are 79% and somebody is 89%, so 89 will always get a better company in the Vassali. That doesn't work. That's not how the industry work. For industry, the 89, 79, 69, and even sometimes 59 is all the same.
Correct.
Because you all do the same kind of thing, what is expected of the organization. Only when you are inside the company, maybe in 1 year, 2 year down the line, you start demonstrating exceptional skills, and that's how you grow from there. Okay?
Correct.
Because in half an hour, 45 minutes, company exactly know what kind of profile they are looking for.
Absolutely.
Okay.
And maybe like just to add to it, I'll just say that one more point. Like even we don't stop anyone to try outside on their own.
Yeah, so,
So I mean,
yeah, we don't have any bondage.
If you get better option,
you
better
can
salary,
teach you and then you go outside and
yeah, I mean,
apply wherever
we
you
are
want.
okay for that. Like so we give a free hand to the students also to try at their own efforts. If
Right.
something works better for them, and I have seen people like some candidates like who have been placed at very good organizations.
Right.
So some few, maybe couple of them.
Yeah.
They tried on their own and they have.
One guy in CSS Corp.
Yes, CSS.
Yeah, because he was a smart guy.
He was a smart guy, like
during
and,
Corona times.
Yeah, during
with all the
Corona
knowledge he
time,
was
and then academically so strong. He used to keep on searching onto all the social media channels,
Right.
and he cracked it. Right? So we are open for that option also.
Right. If
But
you
it's
think you can get a
ultimately-
better job,
Yes, ultimately
without
it is
our
our-
support, absolutely.
It's all ultimately it's all support from our side to make you onboarded onto some better organization and some better salary. But it's not going to be that easy. You have to prove it.
Correct. You
That
work
is the
hard
bottom
and
line.
demonstrate and
Yes.
get up your entry into the industry.
Correct.
Work hard and
Correct.
then demonstrate and go beyond whatever your capability is going to take care. We are not here to judge anybody.
Absolutely.
For us, every student is same for us, and we want best for each and every student of ours.
Correct. Correct.
So this is how it works. And also the job location part, right? I mean, a lot of students ask, "But where exactly I will get a job if I apply?" What do you think?
So
for a fresher?
job location, what we see is okay. If you get selected through a campus interview, you are open for any position, any location, correct? Same is the concept over here also.
Right.
So what we say is, because it is for your betterment, if you get my suggestion to a candidate is, if you get a better company, better brand, and better profile, why not? I mean, you should be open for any location basically. We don't have any control.
Absolutely.
We don't have any control.
What I say is, as long as you're not married, go for any part of India. Go and work there, enjoy, see new cultures.
Correct.
These are all the learning which is going to help you a lot when you have become very, very seniors, when you are managing a diverse set of people.
So maybe like you are from army background, so
Air Force background, so-
Air Force. Yeah, I'm sorry.
So we have seen all these different
Yeah.
cities and we know how it helped us a lot, right?
So you always give your advocacy for that, but ultimately students are very choosy.
No, but this is through this channel and this conversation,
Yes.
Sanjeev, what I want to send a message to all the students who are
Absolutely,
thinking.
I think that's what
There is
I
no choice of choosing a location.
Hmm.
Do all these things once you are married, once you want to settle down. You are starting your career, right? KPMG is one of the organization which keeps on coming and hiring our students. ITC is a big brand, right? If they send you to learn, do you think they are going to teach you something which is not, useful? You go there, learn, make your career out of your own self, become independent, and do whatever you want. Why you want us to give you a job in
Absolutely.
Hyderabad or
Yeah.
say Mumbai or somewhere else?
I have
You
seen
should never
people-
look for that.
I have seen people, Ashok, using the research level of positions just for the sake of location.
You're losing it out.
Yeah,
And
you are losing
yeah.
it. I mean, I'm telling you, like, so basically, we are open and we say, like, you should be open for any location, because ultimately it is the company who is kind of not hiring you. You should respect their decision. You should respect the value in which they are showing you.
Yeah, and all our organizations, hiring partners, whoever is hiring, they are absolutely bang on. They hire you, give you a great job.
Correct.
And it is not like an offer letter in a college where sometimes they honor that offer letter, sometimes they don't honor that.
Correct.
100% of the placement offers are honored because they come to us and they want immediately people. In 1 week, 2 weeks time is the maximum time we have seen when the onboarding started. Like within 2 weeks, you will be on your job, working with a great team, learning new skills, right? So this is how it should be, and this is also part of the agreement which we make, that job location preference is not a choice. Whichever company comes for the placement, you go there, and what we guarantee, the job will be great. If you are still choosy and still want to struggle for some more time, please take your time till you understand this point,
Correct.
that at the beginning of your career you have to be open for all kind of challenges coming on your way, so that you build your foundations of your career in cybersecurity. And then obviously it's your personal choice. If you have a certain preference for certain cities, you can always come back, but not at the initial level. I'm not in favor of that. At least I will never hire somebody who's having preference in my company. And I'll never recommend anybody. Okay.
So
Okay, so one more question, Sanjeev. One more important question, like people again ask you. So they say like Purple Synapse is 100% job placement. Like
correct.
there are many other institutes who also say it's 100%. What is the difference between our 100% placement versus what others have to say about 100% placement?
Okay.
Is there any difference first of all?
Absolutely. Yes, there is a difference. Okay. So we are very much clear in what we are going to deliver. Okay. If we say 100% placement, so there is, by the way, like we say 100% placement / money back guarantee.
Right.
Correct.
No conditions applied.
No conditions applied. Nothing. If you are getting selected for this program, either you will be getting 100% place. So far, it has been 99% record. We have almost close to 100.
And remaining we are refunded. So basically 100%.
Basically, it is 100%. Only one candidate we have refunded so far, by the way.
Okay.
So,
but even he wanted to.
But and that is different story. That no, because we always tell or we value people, their every penny whatever they are paying to us, because it is, we have also come from the kind of very
we understand the value of
common
money.
background, correct, and we understand the value of every single rupee what is getting paid by your parent.
Right.
So we the refund which by the way we had done, we had suggested that candidate that no, you better take this money and start some business. Okay, because today even if you lose here this 2.5 lakhs whatever it is, and then tomorrow if you get hired, tomorrow maybe like the company is not going to sustain you for long. Correct. You will lose here also. You will be losing your time. You will be losing your money. There is no kind of no output to it. So you please take your money and go back.
Definitely, and I think and now when we have launched this online course, now this is reversed.
Correct.
Now people don't have to pay the money.
They don't have to pay the money.
There was the old story
Correct.
when we used to have patches in our office.
Correct.
And where people have to pay in advance, so there was 100%.
Correct. They were paying in advance.
But now they
don't have to pay. Now
they still pay some.
There is some security deposit of 10%, 15%.
Yeah, so the 30 approximately
37,000 somewhere. Like no, they have to pay. But that is also a security deposit.
Yeah. So even that money will be refunded.
That money will be also refunded
if they don't get job.
And the rest of the amount has to be paid only after the placement is done. Okay. So there is a difference. Like no, you are not losing even a single rupee.
Right.
But you have to, like no, as I said, like no, all the things has to be followed in proper manner. Otherwise, like no, we ourselves.
No, I have seen it. Even the scrutiny, you do it during the modules also, because you are heading the placement part, Sanjeev.
Correct.
And the way you are running it, sometimes you are very strict to the student. Obviously, students may not realize it now why you are strict, but someday, hopefully, we'll realize that it's all benefit for them. They are not going to give it anything back to us.
Absolutely.
And even during the course, even if students are selected, if you don't perform well, Sanjeev has been very, very strong into that. They will fire you right in the middle of the batch. Money is refunded. You go back home, have your own life. What kind of life you want to have?
As I said earlier, also like no, every single day of yours is getting counted on me. Right? So we are very much serious about it and we follow that. So no questions asked means your full money is refunded.
Right.
100% placement means like no, your job is there provided you do all these things.
Right.
Correct. And then otherwise, I cannot buy a job for anyone.
Right.
Correct? Simple formula. You have to earn it.
Correct.
Earn it based on the skill sets whatever you are going to develop over these 6 months. So that is the overall principle on which we are working.
Right.
And if a particular student doesn't realizes it, then we don't entertain them. Basically.
Right.
Simple.
And we keep checking on that. Yeah, I mean, there is no way you can
Yeah.
buy jobs if
Correct.
that was the case. I mean, at
So
least
many-
majority of the cities will not have these job issues. Like
So
people have
many
money.
so many frauds are happening just based on
Because of that mindset, people think
because
they
of that
pay
mindset,
money.
okay. You pay some money to us and then I'll get some job somewhere else and it is their responsibility. I can enjoy my life.
Yeah, that is
Then we are not the place for you.
Right.
So
Yeah, I mean, don't come
Correct.
in that
Please
case.
don't come. Please don't come. So
if you think you pay money and get job.
correct, we are very blunt in that basically. And I say to each and every candidate while doing the initial round of scrutiny.
Yeah, if you're not ready to work hard, you have only money, then it's not required. There are a lot of people who are ready to give money, by the way.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's what I think I have to say on that point.
Great. Okay, Sanjeev. So you have seen all these students being a placement head. I know you're on a hot seat and you select people. You tell them that you will fire them if they don't perform well, and you also give them the offer letters. Connect with the right set of industry, right? Want to know from you what your pain points, Sanjeev. What makes you uncomfortable? Which you have seen, which you thought this is not good. What is happening? You have any such experiences you would like to share maybe to a student?
Yeah, that's very important questions. Most of the time, even I feel is this the same person with whom I was talking earlier? There is change in the mindset. Change in the mindset of the student, as in when they will be getting on board, they will be doing a lot of commitments to you. They will be doing a lot of promises to you. All the things they would be committing to you. Okay, and once they will get part of the system, all of a sudden that mindset goes out, because that is how they have been earlier. Because
that is one of the reasons why they were unemployed and
they were unemployed. Okay, they will start giving some excuses for not attending the classes. They will be starting maybe they are not done with the classes, and then when the placement will come, all of a sudden they will be talking about a number of different parameters. Sir, I don't want this job, I want that job, I want this location, that location,
this much salary, that
and this much salary.
And since in the beginning they were told absolutely clear.
Okay, so
and they agreed also.
By the way, okay, just for the sake of our audience, before we onboard anyone, we share all the agreement papers, all the terms, conditions, and then related to the placement, payment, how the classes is going to be happen, what they are supposed to do. There are some 4 lengthy documents, some 7-8 page document which we share directly with them, and they sign it. And to biggest to my surprise, sometimes I feel people have not read that also.
Yeah, maybe it's true.
Okay, but they have signed it. But
they
then
have signed it because
we have to trust them.
Want to. Yeah.
We have to trust them, but we find it later that they have not even read that part. And that is one of the pain points which I see, what kind of
engineers and
what kind of people the industry is going to tackle with. But then at the same time, I just try to be try to give them as a proper feedback, and that this is what something you need to improve upon. And we try to inculcate those things whatever are missing during the training, and that are maybe they are not getting tracked as a parameter, but kept on giving the proper feedback to them. Right. So there is a huge change in the mindset, not within all the students, but at least I think, or I see at least 30% of the people.
We have to reduce it to at least less than 5%.
We have to reduce it. Otherwise, I have to work on that part also.
Right.
So that is one challenge, which we need to maybe address.
Right. So this is So students need to understand that there is no magic as such. There have been a magic. People would love to solve this problem, right? So industry needs some kind of skill set. Students need some company to give them the break. And this match is not happening. And that is where Purple Synapse comes into picture. And we tell the students, do this A, B, C, D things in this format, diligently, with proper discipline, and that is how you will be able to go and will be able to get the job. Okay?
Yeah. So sometimes I feel these.
And it's plain and simple, right?
This is simple and then difficult too.
Right.
Frankly speaking. Okay. So these 6 months you have to work on all these casual attitudes, your mindset, and then you have to give your proper discipline the way we talked earlier. You have to give performance output in a proper structured manner the way the course is expecting you to do.
Correct.
Then knowingly or unknowingly we are inculcating the traits or the characteristics which an organization needs. And if you take it as a proper feedback in a very right constructive approach, and if you work on it, you are on the right
No, absolutely, because any organization, if you go, you don't know how to write an email, you don't know how to respond, you don't know how to be professional, it's very difficult for you to sustain.
I mean, single liners have seen the email without saying what exactly you want to communicate.
Yeah. One line.
One line.
And then you're surprised that
you,
these guys.
you expect you expect the hiring to be done.
Are you to put them so and so salary?
So
Yeah.
and so and so.
So students have to work a lot. I mean, not everybody is like that, by the way. But the point what we are trying to make is all kind of students are there. We see the fire and passion, but there are certain gray areas where students need to work a lot. Not only for the Purple Synapse. Even if you are watching this video and don't want to apply in Purple Synapse, you have to make sure that you behave like a professional. When you talk, you commit. May not be necessary from the other side. You cannot say companies also don't give me the feedback. I will not give, going to give it to that. But company don't care. But can you say that I also don't care? You know. So that is where you have to start thinking, and you respond on time. Talk to them nicely. Be good in the email communication. Have some email etiquettes. Have some kind of politeness while talking to the people, and then life goes on. Nobody is dependent on anyone, right? Please understand that. Which Sanjeev is trying to tell that, and don't change your stance before and after getting the courses and all, because it doesn't look nice. We exactly know the kind of industry which you're looking for, and then you start coming up with so much of expectation. It just doesn't feel good. Though we want to help as many students as possible, but practically it is not possible. Our objective is to just get you inside the industry, so that you work hard and you prove to the world that you are better than everybody else.
Absolutely.
But don't do that on the day one of you when you are getting selected. Okay?
Correct. So for us it is very easy. We have the refund option, right? But see, ultimately the student has to realize it is for their betterment. You are kind of restricting yourself with these mindsets.
Correct.
Changing the mindset. So I mean, basically, it would be your complete failure. At the end of the day.
Yeah, it is important. So if you have a job, if you want to work in a particular city, don't apply for Purple Synapse, because we will not be able to meet your expectation. But if you really want to be successful in cybersecurity domain, you don't want to do anything else but cybersecurity, because the fastest growing domain, and you are ready to take challenges, learn new skill set, learn new cultures, ready to open till you get settled in your life, then this is the right place for you to apply and kickstart your career. And as I keep saying, that starting of your career doesn't mean the end of your career. Our job is to just put you from wherever you are into the industry, provided you follow our instructions, and then you spend there for a couple of years, and you yourself will realize what all has to be done at your end. You cannot put everything on us. Our job is to teach you, make you ready, bring some discipline in your learning environment, help you as much as we can. We also learn, by the way. A lot of students teach us new things, and we also try to learn from them. But the objective is to meet the demand of the industry, end of the day, which we both have to, student and Purple Synapse, has to make sure that we are catering to the industry. Studies don't care otherwise. They don't know who is Purple Synapse, they don't know who you are. Correct? So we two has to work as a team, so that your objectives are met. Okay? Excellent, Sanjeev. So bringing the last question from the students' mindset perspective. 8 batches. That's amazing, Sanjeev. Excellent, journey which you have seen so far. What are the great moments? Any great moments you want to share with our viewers?
Yeah, I think
In the
we
past,
have
almost like 1.5 2 years.
We have many. Out of these 60-70 people, we have many. Maybe I can count on maybe few for the sake of our viewers. Okay. So there was a student I personally chased for maybe 10 months when we started this program. Okay, around 1.5 years.
Like a true love affair, you're chasing somebody say yes.
Absolutely. I mean,
that was the time when we were offering them the
when
course.
we were offering the course and we started, nobody knew us, correct? And
We are new to the industry.
We were new to the industry, and today we are rated as one of the top 10 course providers. Then that was the time when I chased a candidate for 10 months, and then finally he joined us, and he is one of the top performers into one of the biggest organizations.
Yeah, the Big Four.
Big Four, okay. And then I have another extreme corner wherein I have a candidate from Hyderabad. He was he was a bottom performer. Okay. Every test he used to say sir, I have done very excellent job.
Every
interview, but we knew how he was. Correct? But today, after, and he, by the way, he got placed at the lowest salary first time in maybe like 3 lakhs somewhere, 3.25 maybe, or 3 lakhs somewhere. And today he's one of the top performers in his own organization. So
And he was very happy when he called him. He said, like,
look,
look, people appreciate
look at
my knowledge and they're asking me from
Correct.
where you learned all these things.
Correct. So look at the mindset, like, the thing which we were talking about in the last maybe question. The mindset he has himself, like, incarnated himself in terms of this overall, from the place he has come, from the time he had joined the course till that time, till as on today, like, we have seen sudden, like, drastic change into his own body language and the confidence.
So one,
okay.
the person who had chased it
Yeah.
10 months, he was saying no, I don't want to join your course. He finally did it, and he is the best performer.
Maybe like,
working with
he
the Big
was-
Four.
he was
Very
thinking-
happy, and he is
he-
one of our
He
very
was
good
thinking,
friends.
He was thinking maybe he was in dilemma that whether he want to join it or not. He
Right.
tried maybe some other options, maybe it did not work. And today, like, and then once he joined, he never looked back.
Correct. And I saw him
Yeah.
like midnight, 12 o'clock when I was in the office working late. I saw this guy, studying and like very much focused. And I simply loved this guy. And I
Correct.
always saw that these are the people who are actually deserve the job in the industry,
Correct.
who are so passionate and really want to make some difference. So I'm very surprised.
Correct. And
Very proud of
maybe
that
like
gentleman,
yeah, I'm like he's like sometimes like he's in still touch with me. Sometimes he calls me in the weekend saying, "Sir, this is what I'm doing."
Well,
I really
people
love
remember
these,
all
I
these
really
things, absolutely.
love these people. Okay.
Yeah.
Then we have one more example, like where I've seen people doing the proper course, understood it so thoroughly that they publish their own papers, okay, which we published on LinkedIn also. Based on that, they got hired by one of the biggest organizations.
I know that. Yeah, I was talking to one of the co-founders
Correct.
and shared that this is the student who has
Correct.
written, and he was surprised. He's a fresher, can able to write these kind of articles is amazing, and
Correct.
he got the job offer
Absolutely.
after that. Yeah.
Then the
Okay.
highest salary, one of the I cannot leave that part.
Okay.
One of the candidates who scored the highest salary last year before COVID time, and he got placed in one of the top MNCs, and he had
All
1
5
year.
companies in the world. in
Yeah,
fact,
yes, and he had 1 year of experience in some Herbalife company as a system administration. Did not know anything about what exactly the security is. He left his job, and then the way he transformed himself during the training, and when he went for the interview, he was the one who got selected in maybe 20-25 people,
Right.
only one person. Okay, so I have that experience also.
Yeah, so the wide experiences, Sanjeev, excellent. So
And
all kind of students
all
are
kind of
there,
people,
right?
and then we always talk about refund option, right? So I have that one of the candidate of that sort or in that category also.
Yeah.
That student joined us with all kind of commitment through some references. Maybe that those were the time one of our employees recommended me because he was his friend. So we just hired him. And then while training, he was so casual, all of a sudden, sir, my mother is not well, I have this urgency, that
Yeah, you
urgency,
always have some
all kind of
excuses.
excuses. And then we said, okay, we understand you, let's be part of the second batch. Second batch also, he continued the same approach. Third time, finally we decided, no, this is not the place for you, please take your money. Then he was not ready to accept that also.
Yeah, he said, don't give me my money.
He said, I'm sorry, sir, I highly apologize for whatever I did, but please allow me to continue on these classes. But then we understand that
He will not be able to
it is
take
his genetic behavior, maybe.
Yeah, some attitude
in
and
last
some,
25
some,
years.
some
correct?
habits
So,
will
some
not
habits
change.
never change, correct?
Yeah,
So we have that option also. So
it was wrong on our part to take that money.
correct.
Obviously, on those days when we used to take advance money from the student, but
then
COVID
I
has
have-
given on a different.
So I have that example also that not even a single rupee. I still remember the figure, which maybe I can share with someone.
Yeah,
But
we
like,
should share with the audience.
So
how
it was
Two
2,38,191. Okay.
Okay.
And that 1 rupee also we did not do. We did not even round it off. Correct. So and that student is still in touch with us. But for me,
So we are also waiting. Hopefully,
I
that
can-
student will change someday.
See, I can be a
and we will hire him.
human being. I can be always giving all the best suggestions whatever I can give. But ultimately, I cannot cheat a student, I cannot cheat a hiring partner. Right? Correct? So these two are two different things. Personal, I am very good to him, but professional, I cannot do injustice to anyone.
Right. Because the students and Purple Synapse is a single team. We work together and go to the hiring company and tell them, please try me. You are going alone, now you have a partner. And we both go together and tell you, hire me. And this is how hiring companies are able to offer you a job and you are able to perform well. Or definitely, like if you really slog and work very, very hard, which you have not done earlier, to joining the Purple Synapse. And that's why we use the word, we give you, we hire in Purple Synapse course. We don't use, we offer course. We hire.
Correct.
Because it's a job.
Correct.
When you join Purple Synapse, it's basically as good as job because you have a job at the end of this course, right? So this is how it is. Great, Sanjeev. So in the second part of this conversation, we'll be talking about the industry part. What is their expectation? What they look for in the students?
Sure.
So good. Look forward for that.